the South China Sea has become one of the most dangerous maritime regions, with rising tensions and China's growing naval ambitions. China is building artificial islands, military bases, and developing advanced technology to dominate the Pacific. Meanwhile, the U.S. Navy is innovating to maintain its supremacy in the region, quietly developing 5 revolutionary weapons systems to counter China's growing military power. These systems go beyond traditional weapons, integrating hypersonic missiles, drone swarms, and electronic warfare tactics to create a new kind of combat. This strategy not only counters China's capabilities, but could also reshape the future of naval warfare. Here's a look at the 5 game-changing systems that could shift the balance of power in the Pacific. Number 5. AIM-174B Gunslinger. One of the most significant advancements in the U.S. Navy's arsenal is the AIM-174B Gunslinger, an air-to-air missile that offers an unprecedented range of over 300 miles. At nearly 15 feet long and weighing 1,900 pounds, this isn't just another missile. It's a highly advanced flying smart machine that can take out any aircraft or missile within its reach. Compared to its predecessor, the AIM-54 Phoenix, which was the standard in long-range air defense, the Gunslinger can engage targets at a distance 3 times greater. The ability to engage targets at such extreme ranges changes the dynamics of air combat. For example, FA-18 Super Hornets equipped with the AIM-174B can now engage Chinese fighters before they even detect the American aircraft's presence. The missile's range gives the U.S. Navy a significant advantage in terms of striking first, keeping Chinese aircraft at bay while preventing them from launching their own attacks. Furthermore, the AIM-174B is designed to counter supersonic missiles, which have become one of China's most effective weapons. By defending against these threats well beyond U.S. military installations, the missile helps ensure that China cannot overwhelm U.S. assets with long-range missile strikes. The Gunslinger is more than just an air-to-air missile. It's a critical part of the Navy's integrated air defense system that ensures Americas to operate freely in contested areas. Number 4. SM-6. Extending the reach of naval defenses. While the AIM-174B focuses on air-to-air combat, the SM-6 missile is the cornerstone of the Navy's defense system for both air and missile threats. Developed to defend U.S. Navy ships against ballistic and cruise missiles, the SM-6 has been adapted to launch from fighter jets, including the FA-18 Super Hornet. This adaptation allows the missile to intercept air and missile threats even before the launching aircraft is detected by Chinese radar, enabling the U.S. Navy to engage threats from beyond Chinese airspace. What makes the SM-6 so powerful is its ability to receive data from various sensors, including those on ships, airborne warning and control system aircraft, and even satellites. This allows for precise targeting, even if the launching aircraft is far beyond the reach of China's radar systems. By enabling fighter jets to launch missiles from outside the range of Chinese radars, the U.S. Navy ensures that Chinese aircraft and missile systems are never able to mount an effective defense. The SM-6 is part of a broader integrated air-sea defense network that extends hundreds of miles, providing the U.S. Navy with unparalleled coverage. This system is particularly effective because it leverages existing Navy infrastructure, such as Aegis radar and fire control systems, without requiring a major overhaul of U.S. defense systems. The ability to adapt existing technology to launch new types of missiles is a key advantage for the Navy, ensuring that it can quickly and efficiently counter any threats. Number 3. Compact Rapid Attack Weapon. While the AIM-174B and SM-6 provide defense against air and missile threats, the Compact Rapid Attack Weapon addresses a different but equally important vulnerability: underwater threats. The Compact Rapid Attack Weapon is an upgrade to the traditional Mark 48 torpedo, which has been in service for decades. Unlike the bulky Mark 48, which is designed for long-range engagements and large payloads, the Compact Rapid Attack Weapon is smaller, faster, and more maneuverable, making it perfect for modern, highly maneuverable submarines like the Virginia class. One of the most impressive features of the Compact Rapid Attack Weapon is its ability to be fired in rapid succession. The Revolver-MP system, which began testing in 2023, allows submarines to launch multiple compact rapid attack weapons per torpedo tube, increasing the number of torpedoes that can be deployed in a short time. This capability is a game changer in underwater combat, allowing submarines to overwhelm enemy defenses with multiple torpedoes, increasing the chances of a successful strike. With the ability to launch up to 10 compact rapid attack weapons per torpedo tube and carry over 250 torpedoes in total, Virginia-class submarines are poised to become some of the most formidable platforms in the Navy's arsenal. The compact size of the compact rapid attack weapon allows submarines to carry more weapons, giving them a significant advantage in anti-submarine warfare. By replacing traditional heavy torpedoes with lighter, more nimble weapons, the Navy is ensuring that its submarines remain a critical force in any conflict. Number 2. NEMESIS. In addition to physical weapons, the U.S. Navy is also investing heavily in electronic warfare and deception tactics to protect its forces. One of the most advanced systems in this area is NEMESIS, which stands for Netted Emulation of Multi-Element Signature Against Integrated Sensors. The NEMESIS system uses LEED drones, which are small unmanned aircraft designed to simulate entire fleets. These drones are equipped with sophisticated electronic signatures that mimic the radar return and electromagnetic emissions of real ships, creating the illusion of multiple carrier groups. The drones can fly at wave-top height, maintaining their formation for extended periods while broadcasting false signatures to confuse enemy radar systems. Using a mesh network, the drones can coordinate their movements, ensuring that even close observation won't reveal their true nature. The power of NEMESIS lies in its ability to overwhelm China's long-range targeting systems. By simulating multiple U.S. carrier groups, China's radar systems are forced to choose which target to engage. The confusion caused by false targets allows the U.S. Navy to operate with greater freedom, making it more difficult for China to detect and track real U.S. forces. In a future conflict, NEMESIS could be the key to ensuring that the U.S. Navy's true assets remain undetected, allowing for more strategic flexibility. As China increasingly relies on long-range targeting systems to detect U.S. carriers, the ability to deceive these systems will provide the U.S. Navy with a massive tactical advantage. Number 1. Roadrunner-M. The Roadrunner-M is another breakthrough in the U.S. Navy's growing drone arsenal. This drone, developed by Anduril, is designed to intercept incoming missiles and drone swarms, using a contact detonation warhead that creates a wider area of effect. Unlike traditional interceptors, which are single-use, the Roadrunner-M is reusable, allowing for greater cost efficiency and sustainability. What sets the Roadrunner-M apart is its ability to return to base if it misses its target, making it far more economical than other interceptors. In addition to its low cost, the Roadrunner-M can be rapidly deployed, allowing the Navy to field large numbers of interceptors to defend against a variety of threats. The drone is capable of intercepting missiles, drones, or other airborne threats in a way that makes it ideal for high-intensity conflict. Each Roadrunner-M costs a fraction of traditional interceptors, which can run into the millions of dollars per shot. This makes it possible for the U.S. Navy to maintain a much larger stockpile of interceptors, ensuring that they can defend against multiple simultaneous threats. In an era of budget constraints and rising costs, the ability to deploy large numbers of affordable interceptors is a game changer for the U.S. Navy's defense strategy. If you found this deep dive into the future of naval warfare fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest military innovations and global defense strategies. Thanks for watching.